Mickey and friends of Pixar. For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, luego de sentarse en el asiento.
Please stay seated until the next stop.
Sorry, up here.
We are now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction waiting times, and mobile order food for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, smoking and baking are not permitted in our theme park, between the park, or in the downtown Disney district. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. Time to leave the park and return later today. Please be sure to keep your tickets. Just ahead is the downtown Disney district with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then, gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit to the driver's left. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy and memorable visit to the Disneyland Resort.
All right, first please remain seated until the tram comes to a full and complete stop. Then you will be exiting to the driver's left-hand side only. Driver's left-hand side only. Park hours tonight is now will be coming at 12 midnight, and then it changes California Metro at 10 o'clock. Last tram at 1 a.m. Wait till tram stops. Please be there to the driver's left. Drivers, left-hand side. Okay, lower your hands. Driver, you're clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Driver, your turn's clear.
If you will be returning to the park later today, please keep your ticket to re-enter. If you will be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today, just show today's parking ticket to re-enter the parking area. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking areas have a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. We ask that you please observe this speed limit and yield the right-of-way to Disneyland vehicles, whether you're walking or driving. We are now approaching the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram stop, which serves the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structures. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then, gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step, exiting to the driver's right. On behalf of all our cast members, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. Once in your car, please be sure to buckle up and have a happy and safe journey home. This tram will be returning to the main entrance plaza in just a few moments.
We are now approaching the parking structures. Please remain seated until your tram does come to a full and complete stop, and I've indicated safe to exit on the driver's right-hand side. We'll be exiting our tram only on the driver's right-hand side. Thank you. Pull the handle up, push the door away from you, lower your head, and watch your step. Have a wonderful afternoon.